1994 was 0 year. Many things are priorities, if not everything. And in educational system is where we think we build a new nation. We think of what
Rwanda has extremely low levels of children moving from primary school and on to secondary school. At the moment, primary completion rate over the last 2 years is estimated to have been about 30%. We know from research that quality education keeps children in schools. And one of the ways, obviously, that we can work on improving the quality of education is through teacher training.
There are some extra things which a lot of the English teaching volunteers have done. There have been a series of teacher training workshops held in different parts of Rwanda for the last year or so. And it involves a weekend of looking at various skills and how to teach them, like how to teach vocabulary, breaking down teaching a text in a lesson, looking at things like classroom management.
L'enseignement, nous avons trouvé un aspect didactique que nous n'avions pas peut-être. Bon, elle a de petits moyens pour sa didactique, avec des panneaux de papier sur lesquels elle affiche des mots de vocabulaire.
So it's very basic training, but it's just to give teachers a boost or to give them a certain level.
There's a saying in Rwanda that goes, teaching is equal to poverty. Teacher status here is extremely low, and the work that we've been doing on valuing teachers in Rwanda has enabled us to put teacher motivation and morale on the agenda. And VSO has formed a coalition with a number of other international and local NGOs to push forward that agenda.
Le SNEP, Syndicat national des enseignants du primaire, est un syndicat qui travaille dans tout le pays et qui représente tous les enseignants de l'école primaire, soit au nombre de 28 000.
This is the head office of SNEP. This is where I work. It's small, it's noisy, but we're trying.
It's important in Rwanda for teachers to have union representation because their wages are really low. They often don't get paid for months as well and have really bad working conditions. So they really need to be defended because they're not valued. The impact I'm having is that we're getting more trust from teachers and also more motivation. They also feel like they are looked after and someone cares.
I've seen some incredibly inspirational work that is enabling Rwanda to move forward and to look to a more positive future here.
Supporting a VSO volunteer or a VSO program in Rwanda is to make a huge investment in the country and the people of the country.